Hello. Thought we'd take a little tour of our garden. This is just the porch. Anyway. Oh. Yes. That's the one I won from Earth Dance. Put it out here. Now we got some stuff planted, hasn't come up yet. My okra's out there, and I planted some gourds back on those sticks that are leaning. Those are the honeysuckles I trimmed. Just kind of walk through a little bit. Rain feels good. We got that little guy coming up. And the mushrooms there. Green onions are all in there. Beans. Something ate one of the okras. Boom, you can tell where it was. Yeah, we have the stuff coming up over there, which is growing pretty good. We've got the squash. I planted some squash right there. Those two are come up. Those two have not yet. We'll see. Planted flowers all in here, which I'm hoping grow. And I thought my little fern died, but it didn't. It came back. Looky there. That little baby fern there. She came back. Thought she wanted to give it a try. Live with us. I'm like, thank you. All right, well. I planted some stuff on the other end of the yard down there. It hasn't came up yet, so it's not really worth going to look at. In here, there we go. There's the spinach, which looks pretty good. Looks real good, actually. We'll eat it, won't we? All right. The peas are almost to the top now. They're growing. Hopefully they start flowering soon. Let them lean over to there. And break them up a little and they'll grow different areas. That's what I did with those. I brought them up that. Well, it's starting to rain a little harder now. I guess I might have to go in. Anyway, I planted some peppers and stuff too. So, feels good actually. I'm out here barefoot. There we go. Why not? You guys stay safe, stay healthy, be nice to each other, and have a great day. Bye.